Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this video, I'm going to share 3 incredible free music streaming apps that are genuinely better than Spotify. Stick around till the end to find the best one for your needs. Number 3, Hungama Music. This app is totally free and offers a premium subscription if you want it, but unlike Spotify, it gives you free access to music, lyrics, and even lets you skip to any specific part of a song. The audio quality is solid, and you can upgrade to HD if you choose. Number 2, Black Hole. This app is 100% free with zero ads and no subscriptions at all. You can even download your favorite songs for offline use. It's not available on the Google Play Store, but you can get it directly from their official website. Number 1, VMusic. This is my personal favorite. It only takes up 2.57 MB on your device, has no ads, no subscriptions, and delivers original high-quality sound. It's lightweight, clean, and does exactly what you need. Stream music, no strings attached. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.